Hi guys, good morning. I'm doing this Facebook reel to teach you on how you are going to register your SIM cards as mandated by the Philippine Constitution. And so I'll be teaching you what website where you need to go to. So I'll be using the Google Chrome browser. So since I'm already done registering my SIM cards earlier, there's already a history about the website on my browser itself. So however, I'll still need to teach you what website where you need to go to. So that should be new.globe.com.ph and press the enter button on your keypad. That's the arrow here at the lowermost at the lowermost right side on my keyboard on my phone. That's it. Should be routed into this page. Then just press on apply with this device and it will be loading. That's what I'm experiencing. Oh, it's already having the error. However, I'll just close out this browser. So it's already having an error because I believe there's a lot of people who is trying to access the website. So that's the reason why. So I'll just be closing that browser. So since I'm already done registering my SIM cards earlier, again, the website is new.globe.com.ph. So since I've already done registering my SIM cards earlier, I already have a history of the browsing history, which is reflecting on my browser. So I'll just press on this one. So again, that's new.globe.com.ph. So you should be routed onto this page, and you just have to enter your SIM card number. Mine is TM, so that's instead of the zero, it's the succeeding or the first two digits should be 63, followed by the um, preceding numbers. Is it preceding? I'm not sure. I'm sorry. So that's 6393549908896. That's my number. So instead of zero, that's 63, which is good as zero, and then 93549908896. That press on register, and you should be routed. You should be receiving a one-time PIN. So that's should be sent directly to your number 589916, I believe. Yeah, it's kind of loading. Is it 589916? Hmm. It's kind of loading. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Yeah, it failed. It's loading early and then it failed. Have to try. 035490896. I'll press on register one more time. 429958. Yeah, it's really loading. So I'll just continue this video. I'll be cutting this video first for me to take a screenshots.